Alright, good morning guys. Magpapagas tayo ngayon. Isasama ko kayo kung paano magpagas dito.
After you use Bounce Dryer sheets and realize how fresh, soft, less wrinkled, and less staticky your laundry can be, you'll need it every time. Like those socks that smell like they've been through a marathon. Or that blanket that's got wrinkles on its wrinkles. Maybe even your tiny coworker who keeps distracting you. Okay, Bounce Dryer sheets can't do it all. But for fresher, softer, better laundry,
Magpapagas na tayo kasi bukas may trabaho.
this February at Will Cedar Creek Casino.
Hanggat maaga, may gas na kagad.
Vault for up to $5,000. Find all the details online at qcccasino.com. Two things you might not expect to hear from Macy's. One, new spring arrivals are here right now at 20 to 30% off. So brighten up your winter with blazers, jeans, black and more up to 30% off. And two, when you come into the store, Macy's has free personal stylists. You can book a
May
free
bus pa.
appointment, tell them what you're looking for.
Yun, umalis na yung bus.
Great advice too. So head into Macy's today because the one thing that you probably didn't expect is that these deals won't be around for long. Savings on home and reduced prices. Visit the site.
Do we have a little fun talking about a serious subject here? Well, I'm not a big talker, not as young as I used to be, but I still like having me some fun. Am I right, mother?
Ito po ang Washington State. Ayan po ang kalsada. So nakita niyo po ang stop sign. So kailangan mag-full stop kayo dyan. Kahit na walang dumadaang iba, make sure full stop, then go. So may signboard uli sa kanan, 30 speed limit. So speed limit natin 30. So ayan lang po, ganyan lang po ang pag-drive dito. So 30 pa rin ang speed limit. Lakas ng hangin. So mag-left turn ako dito ako sa center lane. Right here. Diba? Then walang stoplight pero full stop. Kung four-way stop ang tawag kasi rito eh. Okay? Walang libre, pasok. So dito 25 speed limit. Kailangan 25 lang. So ayan na po ang gasolinahan sa kanan. Pagtawid ko ng stoplight sa kanan, pagas lang tayo.
Details at T-Mobile.com. Motorola Edge requires 68-watt charger. Charger sold separately. Actual performance will vary based on usage and configuration.
Portions of the following information recorded.
Hot 1037 Vern Funk Insurance Studios. Want to save money on auto insurance? Go to vernfunk.com. Hot 1037 100% throwback.
So ito na po, pagtawid ko dito sa kanan, ito na po ang gasolinahan at magpapagas na tayo. Ito na po ang Argo. Salamat po. See you next time.